Hello everyone, welcome back to the weekly Forex analysis. Let's get going and start off with the DXY. And if you remember last time we analyzed DXY, we were expecting the price to finish this consolidation somewhere around this area and then push back up, take out the stop and continue to increase. And as you can see, the price went pretty high up. It went more than 230 pips. So as we speak, the price is making here a consolidation, and I'm expecting in the coming week to hit this fair value gap area and then push back up to take out this stop, creating a new higher high. But beware that the price can also stay here for a while, ranging without reaching out to this level and push back up. So in this case, we won't have any setup. So best for you to wait for the price to reach the fair value gap area and then wait for a bullish reaction towards the upside. And if you get a setup, you can trade it. EURUSD, this one went down as we were expecting it to do. So here you see we had this sharp wave down, and now the price is consolidating as we speak. We have some liquidity here to collect, but I'm expecting first the price to develop a consolidation because this previous impulse here was going down pretty strong. So it only had minor corrections, as you can see, small flags. And I'm expecting here the price to consolidate towards this level here, this liquidity area, or resistance level, whatever you want to call it, and then give you a reaction towards the downside and take out this low. Pound USD, this one is moving accordingly. If you remember last time when we did the analysis, we were expecting this consolidation here to end towards this fair value gap area or the trend line, and as you can see, the price reached this level and then dropped as we expected. This was a pretty nice setup that we did in our previous video. So in the coming week, I'm expecting here the price to consolidate, drop one more time, create a liquidity sweep, and then push back up into a corrective structure. So keep in mind that we don't have any setups for now. This could be something like an ending structure for a deeper consolidation as I highlighted, and then we can look at the next wave down. But first, let's wait for these possibilities to unfold. Dollar yen, this one keeps pushing up as we speak. So as you can see, the price went pretty high up here from this consolidation, from this range. It broke the top and then continued to create higher highs, and now the price is consolidating here, is creating another range, and hopefully it will reach the trend line before pushing back up. It could also head back up from here, but if that happens, there's no point on trading it from this level. Wait for the pullback to go towards the trend line at least, and then you can go towards the upside. So the forecast for dollar yen in the coming week is a move towards the upside, but first wait for this correction to unfold. Australian dollar versus the US dollar. This one we're expecting in the coming week the price to finish this consolidation here that we have highlighted by this sequence of arrows and then push back down, taking out this low, creating a new lower low. The price could also go a bit higher than I highlighted here. It could go towards this level here because as you can see we have some liquidity left behind, which the price could come back and collect it, and then we can look for our sell setups. But keep in mind these two scenarios. Overall, I'm bearish on Australian dollar versus the US dollar, but pretty important for us right now to be patient and wait for this correction to unfold and keep in mind these two scenarios. New Zealand USD, this one similar. I'm expecting the price to reach this liquidity level here and then the price to drop again, sweeping all the liquidity below. USDCAD, this one is moving accordingly. We had a nice setup here. If you remember, we were expecting the price to correct and then push back up because we had this equal highs here located at this level. And as you can see, the price went through them, then consolidated, and then it went on in a bull run. This was more than 300 pips as well. So I hope you guys made some money on it. Dollar Swiss franc, this one we were expecting it to push back up. But if you remember, we were saying that we would prefer to see a drop towards this trend line before taking any chances in a trade. Instead, the price made here this small pullback, push back up, pullback, push back up, deeper pullback, push back up, and now we have even a deeper pullback. So I'm expecting here the price to continue to consolidate. There's a small chance that this could push back up from here, which we won't neglect. But personally, I would like to see the price going back down, take out these equal lows located here before pushing back up. If not, like I was saying, the price could continue to push back up slow and messy, but let's wait and see. Let's be a bit patient because we don't have any setup as we speak. We have only a spike up and a wick. So the best scenario for us traders is to wait for this one to push back down one more time, buy it from a cheaper price, and then ride the wave towards a new higher high. Pound yen, this one is consolidating as we speak. We have this range here. We have as well two equal lows here, which the price could come back down and haunt them before pushing back up. But there's also a chance that this could develop into something more complex before pushing back up. In either case, we don't have any setup. We have to be a bit patient. We only have sharp waves up and down, another wave up, another wave down. So the structure here is a bit unclear. All we can notice is that the price is ranging. So the price is moving up and down inside a specified price range. So let's wait and see what happens. I'm inclined to think that this will come back down, take out these lows before pushing back up. So we have to mark these two levels here as an equal low. So like I was saying, there's a good chance that the price could come back down, take them out, and then continue its way up, creating a new higher high at this level here. Gold, this one is moving up. It's in a full bull run, as you can see. Next move for gold, like we shared on Instagram midweek, we're expecting the price here to push back up, eventually breaking the top, creating a new higher high and also a new all-time high. So next level for gold is 2,450. Keep in mind this level. We have a correction here, but we don't have any setup. I would like to see the price dropping back down again and then giving us a reaction towards the trend line. But like I was saying, this could continue to go up in a messy manner like it's happening right now. And if that happens, it's almost impossible to get a buy setup as we wish. Silver, if you remember, we were expecting silver for a while now. I was telling you guys to look at the $30 level and treat this as an investment. So I hope you guys made some nice gains on silver, and this will not stop here. Wait for this correction here to finish. We had this wave up, sharp drop, consolidation. There's a chance that this might drop again before pushing back up, or it could continue like gold to rise from this consolidation from this range without breaking the low one more time. Okay, so keep in mind silver, long-term investment. I hope you guys made decent cash on it. There's also another wave coming, but first we have to wait for this consolidation to finish. Or if not, if this decides to go back up from here in a messy manner, we should wait for a deeper pullback. At some point we will get it, and then we will have a better setup on our hands. Oil, if you remember oil, I was expecting the price to create a consolidation after we got this long awaited breakout that I was emphasizing for in the last few months. That's why long-term analysis pays off the best. So as you can see from the arrows that I have here, I wanted to see the price breaking out, consolidating here, making a pullback, and then push back up, reaching the $90 level first as a first target, and second to that, the $95 level. So this is a good opportunity for us, this consolidation that we find ourselves in, because here the price will give us a nice chance to ride the wave up. So right now, oil, I'm expecting it here to make a small flag, push back down one more time, and any buy setup, any impulse towards the upside, followed by a consolidation. This is a buy for us because, like I was saying, the price will reach the $90 level and then the $95 level. Natural gas, this one is still consolidating with a small tendency to go up. Here we have this range. We were expecting the price here to create a consolidation because of this wave down, which was pretty strong and impulsive. And now we don't have any setup for this one. As you can see, the price is pretty messy inside this level here, inside this area. So I'm expecting here some messy movement, push back up maybe, then drop, push back up again. So the price will be zigzagging inside this range here. So no point in trading it. Let's wait a bit more for the pattern to give us some insights. S&P, this one is dropping. Last time we spoke, we were expecting this one to push back up, take out this top, but as you can see, we just tagged it up and then dropped. We were expecting this correction from somewhere around these levels here. After we broke this top here, we created this higher high. So this one came a bit late than expected, but it still came because every time the market is correcting. So the next move for S&P is a pullback towards this fair value gap area before pushing back down again. NASDAQ, this one similar to the S&P, we were expecting it to push back up from these levels here, take out the top, create a new all-time high. Instead, the price started to drop, corrected, and then made this sharp wave down. Now what I'm expecting for NASDAQ, similar to the S&P, consolidation, one more push towards the downside. Bitcoin, in the coming week, I'm expecting here the price to make a consolidation, and I'll love to see it break down one more time heading towards the 55K level, because this will be a good and not a good, a very good opportunity to buy from this card, from these levels here. You'll buy it cheaper after this new all-time high that it did. So I want to advise you guys to trade it from here, because this could come back down slow and steady before hitting this level and pushing back up. As you can see, you have a perfect example here, spike up, and then the price slowly but surely dropped. So this might be the case here as well. This could be a consolidation, a drop, and then we'll wait for a bullish reaction. But for the coming week, wait for the price to consolidate, drop, wait for it to reach these levels, and don't trade it because, in my opinion, we don't have a buy setup as we speak. Ether, this one is a better option. Similar to Bitcoin, this one dropped. We have this bearish trend line now. We also have a fair value gap level here that we have to take into consideration because the price here could continue to increase towards this level and then push back down, taking out this low, creating a new lower low, and then we'll see if this is ready to go back up. Overall, on the cryptos, I'm pretty bullish, but we have to wait for this pullback to finish. But I think it will take some time before this pattern will unfold. So like I was saying, wait for it to reach the fair value gap area, then wait for the price to take out this lows here, and then we'll see if we get the buy setup. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel. And if you have any other requests for any other instruments that you'd like us to cover, hit the comment section below, leave us your pair, and we'll cover them in the coming stream. So until next time, don't forget to trade with care, and I wish all of you a happy trading week ahead.